life gets heavy, I know it's true.
Hey, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel. Oh, y'all, today look at me. I'm sticking to myself. I am a sticky mess. Ooh, and you want to know why? Yes, y'all know we're going to be doing our series on alum powder. Yeah, remember? Did you get your alum powder? Or did you get your alum bar? Or did you get your alum something? Okay, we are going to be doing this today. Well, I've started ahead of y'all, okay? Y'all, you're gonna be a sticky mess for sure, but it's gonna be well worth it because, honey, who doesn't want glowing, beautiful, tight, younger looking skin? I'm the first one in line. I'm the first one in line. Maybe one of y'all are second, but we are doing this today. And beautiful babes, before we get into the meat and potatoes, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell so you'll be in the know the next time I got a good one for you. And today is exactly that. Alright, it is time now to go ahead and do what we do. So of course we'll be using alum in this video. Alum powder or the alum water that I mixed up the other day. Now, alum powder tightens the skin and reduces wrinkles very effectively. Wrinkles make a person look older, of course, than his or her age. So alum powder helps in getting rid of all those signs of aging and make you look younger. So we'll be making use of 1 spoon of the alum powder or water, whichever you prefer to use. Now I'm going to use my little blender to mix it all up so I can technically use the alum powder today, which would be excellent because this little magic bullet is going to drill it down, okay? Then we'll be making use of the white of 1 egg. Then we'll also take in 1 spoon of honey. Now these are tablespoons that I am using today. Now, in order to make this all smell good and also has some super benefits, I'll be using lemon essential oil. A lot of people don't like the smell of egg, and I understand. It's not my favorite scent either, but you can cover it up a little bit with lemon essential oil. And lemon essential oil contains vitamin C, which in turn helps to build collagen. So you have a 2-in-1 masterful essential oil here that is amazing. Now let's mix it all up so we can slather this all over our face, neck, chest, and even our underarm area. So let's go ahead and apply the mixture all over again, our face, neck, chest, and underarms. Now we're going to let this sit for 15 minutes on our face, neck, chest, underarms before we rinse it off. Now, why this works? Alum is a naturally occurring ingredient that has astringent properties and has been used in many anti-wrinkle and anti-aging skin creams. Alum has the ability to make the skin tight and remove wrinkles on its own. Wrinkles are caused due to loosening or loss of elasticity of the skin, and tightening the skin using alum helps in reducing the wrinkles naturally. Honey, oh my goodness, honey is also an age-old remedy used in the treatment of wrinkles, and this too is going to help bring some moisture into the skin because alum is quite drying. You also have the egg whites that contain vitamin A, and applying vitamin A to your skin will help promote wrinkle reduction. And the lemon essential oil is one of the top oils for tightening the skin and again building collagen. Lemon essential oil will also help prevent sun damage, which leads to wrinkles. So this is an amazing essential oil to put in here. Now I'll be back after about 15 minutes of leaving this on and let you see what my skin looks like then. Okay, here we are. This is what it looks like right now. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off of my face. If you need to, you can use a mild cleanser. I will more than likely not at this point. And now that I have it all rinsed off, this is what my skin looks like. Yes, it does feel tighter. Yes, it needs moisturization, and I'm going to do that right now. You definitely want to apply a moisturizer immediately after using alum, as it is very drying on the skin. All right, beautiful babes, I am back. Y'all, you're gonna have to take a shower with this one because it's all over your body and it's so sticky, and you wanna rinse it off well. And y'all know I use my favorite, my pear soap for my face, my neck, my chest area, and so forth. Yes, I do. I love my pears. It's got glycerin in it. It's great for kind of moisturizing your skin while it lathers, you know, so that's awesome. And of course, my skin feels super soft. Oh my gosh. It's super soft. And I felt the tightening of it, but because of the honey, you know, it still has this moisturizing effects with that alum mix we just did. So it's not extremely dry, but you gotta moisturize. But I'm going to go ahead and use my Avon Vitamin C, which I love this because, again, it's going to help boost collagen back in your skin. You're trying to stay as youthful looking as possible. There she is right there. This has a great scent to it also. We're gonna smooth this on to the skin, the neck, the chest, my shoulders. Love beautiful shoulders. Let that sit for just a moment here while I chit chat with you all. And yeah, you're gonna love it. Absolutely amazing. I love this. I love this. Now you want to do this every 3 to 4 days for maintenance. If you have very sensitive skin, make sure you do a patch test before trying this, because again, sensitive skin does not always find these types of ingredients favorable. So looking to have tighter skin, reducing wrinkles, here you go. Using alum powder is where you want to be. Wrinkles will begin to vanish. You'll be getting rid of all the signs of aging, and you'll be looking amazing. Now I'm going to moisturize with some grapeseed oil. I know I need a smaller container, but I have a bottle, but I have not poured it in there yet. So I'm just going to take a dabble into my hand. Warm it up. I am your girl, Sweet Angel. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you found a use for your alum powder that you just picked up from Amazon. Now, all of my links will be down below. Of course, you know they are affiliate links, and I do make a small commission should you purchase using my link. And I appreciate you, and I appreciate you supporting the channel. Thank you so much. Y'all, I am out of here. If you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and do that now, and make sure you turn on all notifications so you'll be in the know each and every time I upload. And since you're looking so cute, why not let your friends and family know where you're hanging out at? Please share me with your world, and I will see you and you on the next one. Bye bye.
And you're barely holding on. Just remember, you're enough, built for growth.